Nate. How's life? I don't know. It's alright. I've been dealing with some things like every human being and really didn't sleep much last night. I'm sorry. That's fine. I just think I need a little me time. I just think I need a little free time. A little break from the shows and the bus rides. Yeah.
All about them scoops. I forget how mean it looks. Especially when it's outside, it looks fucking decent. She's a dirty looking bitch, isn't she? She's getting laser scanned tomorrow. Say I'm a huge fan of the scoops. It's running really lumpy, I don't know why. It was running absolutely sweet the other day, so it almost sounds like it's missing. Don't really know why. Not sure. Absolutely beautiful. Needs a bit of a tidy out, but fuck it. They're not scanning the inside. But at least it starts and drives. I am very happy. Don't know why it's lumpy though, but I've got new plugs for it, so maybe that's a problem. But look. The old Toho and the Toei. RITA sue the fuck pig. Yeah boy. Little update, thought I'd do a little call. Garage door, lift dropping you down sort of situation. That's a lot of water out there as well. It smells so rich. I mean that's had months and months of condensation in it. The amount that comes out of the car is absolutely ridiculous, so as in inside the car. But I'm gonna have a little tidy up in here. Little sweepy sweep. That's my little wooden block, and that's all the shit that comes out the back of her every time she starts. There we are. I'm stoked, absolutely stoked. I forget. You forget when you work on these cars, like what you've actually built. Like you're always looking at like one bit, like the front or the back or the wheel or the arch or like whatever. But when it's actually like a thing, and it's not just a garage ornament costing you shit loads of money for doing fuck all. It's actually pretty cool. Carbon fibres, need to finish those. There's so much needs finishing. So much. Things like that as well. Not sure where that's come from. But them windows look absolutely wicked. I'm stoked on them. So here we are. That's it. Peace out. Short video, short update. Love you all. Goodbye.
up my plumbing.